Hi everyone, welcome back to Ngochan Crochet. Today we're going to crochet this adorable little frog. It's a perfect project for beginners and a great gift for friends or decoration for your space. If you love crocheting cute amigurumi like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Now, let's get started. For round 1, start with a magic ring and make 6 single crochet stitches inside the ring. This forms the base of our frog's body. Pull the ring tight and get ready for the next round. Round 2 will increase in every stitch, so make 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch around. By the end of this round, you should have 12 stitches. Great job! Now for round 3, we'll do an increase every other stitch. That means a single crochet in the first stitch, increase in the next. Repeat this pattern all the way around. You should now have 18 stitches. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Let's continue increasing. This time, single crochet in the first 2 stitches, then increase in the next. Repeat this around and you'll end up with 24 stitches. Your frog is growing. For round 5, the pattern is simple. Single crochet in the first 3 stitches, then increase. Keep repeating until you have 30 stitches. Well done! Now we'll keep the shape by crocheting 30 single crochets in each round from round 6 to round 10. This will create the roundness of our little frog. Take your time and enjoy the process. Now it's time to decrease and shape the body. Crochet 3 single crochets, then do a decrease. Repeat this around to get 24 stitches. We're almost there. Let's decrease more. This time, crochet 2 single crochets, then a decrease. Keep going and you'll end up with 18 stitches. bottom of the frog. Crochet 1 single crochet, then a decrease. Repeat this around, and now we have just 12 stitches. To make the eyes, simply crochet 7 single crochets into a magic ring. Pull tight, cut the yarn, and leave a tail for sewing. Make 2 of these. For the little arms, chain 4 stitches and fasten off. Make 2. These tiny details make the frog extra cute. Now let's make the belly. Start with a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into it. Pull it tight. every stitch around. That means 2 single crochets in each stitch. By the end, you should have 12 stitches. For the final round of the belly, crochet 1 single crochet, then increase in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern and you'll have 18 stitches. Cut the yarn and leave a tail for sewing. Congratulations! You've just finished your crochet frog. I hope you had fun making it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more adorable crochet projects. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!